Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a topic, and this through this topic you will definitely improve your English. So let's start. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because we are celebrating International Yoga Day. Every year on 21st June, people all around the world come together to celebrate the power of yoga. And you know what? Yoga is not just about exercise, it is a way of living, a balance between our body, mind, and soul. When we do yoga, we feel calm, stress free, and full of energy. Even just 10 to 15 minutes everyday yoga can improve our health, posture, breathing, and even our thoughts. Especially for me, yoga is like a best friend. Whenever I feel stressed and tired, I just take a mat and close my eyes and practice a few simple asanas like Surya Namaskar, Pranayam, and meditation. Trust me, it changes my whole mood. So, friend, on this International Yoga Day, let's take a small place together, just 15 minutes of yoga every day, because a healthy mind and a healthy body can truly make our life happier and more productive. That's all for today's blogs, friends. So let me know in the comments, do you practice yoga, and what's your favorite yoga pose? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning English. That's all for today's. Bye bye.